Isn't this why you do this? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Nicole got off at 3. We were here by 4. Set up at 7:15. We had dinner. Cost me less than $20 for dinner. Glacier hot dogs, some s'mores, sweet potato fries, all on an open fire. What else could you want? Ava's out here like a kid. Like a kid. Just running around. Never even ran away. If you like adventures like this, I've said in my other videos, there's always room around our campfire for anybody. So you should subscribe to my channel. You should give us a like, give us some comments. Come hang out with us by the campfire. We're up here in the Adirondacks. This is what this channel is about, being outside, being with loved ones, being with those that you care about, and making memories that last a lifetime. Stay healthy, my friends.